axioms. By studying this lesson, you will be able to develop geometrical relationships and solve problems involving calculation using the 5 fundamental axioms. Axiom 1. Quantities which are equal to the same quantity are equal. AB equal to EF, length of AB 4 cm. So length of EF also 4 cm. AB equal to CD. So, length of CD is also 4 cm. So AB equal to EF, AB equal to CD. So CD equal to EF according to the axiom 1. If A equal B, A equal C. So B equal to C. AB equals to AD given. AB equal to BC given. So left hand side AB's right hand side should be equal. AD equal BC. Example 3. POQ angle equal to QOR. POQ angle equal to ROS angle. So QOR angle equal to ROS. Example 4. ABCD is a parallelogram. AB equal to AC and AB equal to AD. Based on its side, mention what type of triangle ABC is. First, we will show that AB equal BC. AB equal to AD given and AB equal to AC given. So ABC equal to AD. The reason is opposite side of a parallelogram are equal in length. So AB equal BC, AB equal AC. Therefore AB equal AC and AC equal BC. ABC is an equilateral triangle. Axiom 2. Quantities which are obtained by adding equal quantities to equal quantities are equal. Example 5 equal 5. 5 plus 3 equal 5 plus 3. If A equal B, then A plus C equal to B plus C. In the diagram, they have given AXD equal BXC. AXD equal BXC. We want to prove AXC equal to BXD. I am going to add BXC to the both the side. So AXD plus BXC equal BXC plus DXC. AXD plus DXC is AXC angle. BXC plus DXC is BXD angle. So AXC angle equal to BXD angle. Example 2. Show that PQS angle equal DEG. They have given PQR angle equal to DEF, RQS angle equal to FVG. I add left hand side PQR plus RQS equal to DEF plus FVG. Left hand side PQR plus RQS, right hand side DEF plus FVG. PQR plus RQS mean PQS angle. DEF plus FVG mean DEG angle. Example 3. DE equals FG. We want to prove DF equal to EG. I add EF to the both the side. DE plus EF equal to FG plus EF. DE plus EF equal to DF. FG plus EF equal to EG. Example 4. Show that BCA angle equal to CAD plus CBD. But CAD equal to BCD angle given. CBD angle equal to ACD is also given. Therefore, CAD plus CBD equal to BCD plus ACD. But BCD plus ACD angle equal to BCA angle. Axiom 3. Quantities which are obtained by subtracting equal quantities from equal quantities are equal. Example, 7 equals 7, 7 minus 2 equals 7 minus 2. If A equal B, A minus C equal to B minus C. They have given AB equals CD. We want to show AC equal to BD. What I did, I subtract CB from both the sides. AC equal BD, AB equal, we want to show AC equal BD, AB equal CD given. So AB minus CB equal CD minus CB. AB minus CB is AC, CD minus CB is BD. Example 2. ABE angle equal to CBD angle. So that ABD angle equal to CBE angle. I subtract DB angle from both the sides. ABE angle minus DBE angle equal to CBD angle minus DBE. ABE angle minus DBE angle equal to ABD angle. CBD angle minus DBE angle equal to CBE. So ABD angle equal to CBE. Example 3. PQR angle equal to QSX angle given. RQS angle equal to PSQ. So that PQS angle equal to PSX. I subtract first equation from second equation, left hand side. PQR minus RQS equal to right hand side QSX angle, subtract PSQ angle. PQR angle minus RQS angle equal to PQS. QSX angle minus PSQ angle equal to PSX. So PQS angle equal to PSX angle. Axiom 4. Product which are equal quantities multiplied by equals are equal. 8 equal 8. 8 multiplied by 5 equal to 8 multiplied by 5. 8 plus B. Then A multiplied by C equal to B multiplied by C. In the straight line ABC and PQR, AB equal to BC and PQ equal to QR, and AB is equal to PQ. What I did, I multiplied by 2 both the sides. 2AB equal to PQ. So AB equal to BC. Twice of AB is equal to AC. PQ equal to QR. Twice of PQ equal to PR. So AC equal PR. The diagram, AB is equal to BC, BC equal to CD. PQ equal to QR, QR equal to RS. So PQ equal to AB, PQ equal to AB. So AD, PQ equal to AB, I multiply by 3. Why I multiply by 3? So 3 times of AB equal to AD. 3 times of PQ equal to PS. So 3 PQ equal to 3AB, 3 PQ equal to PS equal 3AB equal to AD. Example 3, AOB angle equal to BOC angle equal to COD angle equal to DOE. Second one, POQ angle equal to QOR angle equal to ROS angle equal to SOT. But they have given AOB angle equal to POQ. So we can understand AOE is 4 times of AOB angle. So what I did, AOE equal POT. You want to prove that one. I multiply both the sides of AOB and POQ by 4. 4 AOB equal 4 POQ. So 4 times of AOB is AOE, 4 times of POQ is POT. AOE angle equal POT. Example 5. Quotient which are equal quantities divided by non-zero equals are equal. 8 divided by 4 equal to 8 divided by 4. A equal to B. A divided by C equal to B divided by C. PQ equal QR equal RS. AB equal BC equal CD. If PS equal to AD, so both the side I divided by 3. PS divided by 3 equal AD divided by 3. PS divided by 3 mean PQ. AD divided by 3 mean AB. So PQ equal to AB. DEG angle equal GEF angle equal to HEF angle. So 3 times of DEG angle equal DEH angle. DEH angle is a straight line. Angle on a straight line add up to 180. So 3 DEG angle equal to 180. I divided by both the side by divided by 3. 3 DEG divided by 3, 180 divided by 3 DEG equals 60. Example 3. DXC equal to BXC given. AXC angle equal to EXD given. Find the value of EXC. AXD angle plus BXD angle equal to 180. Angle on a straight line and up to 180. I divided by 2 AXD, BXD and 180. AXD divided by 2 plus BXD divided by 2, 180 divided by 2. So DXE plus DXC equal 90. Why? DXC is half of AXD and DXC is half of BXD. So DXC plus DXC equal 90 degrees. So EXC equal 90 degrees. Thank you very much.